A very good morning to everyone. Hello, my dear students. So, we are on chapter number 9, articles. Today, I will discuss the first exercise with you. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Fine. So, as you can see, the first one is dash year and dash eye. So, we will write down an year and an eye. Second, a day and a night, a thread and a needle, a duck and a hen, a toast and a slice of bread, an aunt and an uncle, a bow and an arrow, a boy and a girl, an octopus and an ostrich, a question and an answer, a guitar and a violin, an arm and a leg, an odd and an even number. So, now we will discuss about a and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. Why they are called indefinite articles? Because articles a and an mean one or any. They do not talk about a particular place or thing. So the articles a and are known as indefinite. Indefinite means when we are not sure about something. So we use a and an when we are not particular about any place or thing. For example, he lives in a village. So let's read the table about using the. Now we will discuss about the third article, that is the. Use of the. We use the when we talk or write about things that are only of one kind. For example, the sun, the earth. We use the with special names of buildings, rivers, mountain ranges and some mountains. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, the Yamuna. The last one, we use a or an when we talk of a thing for the first time. For example, I have an orange in my basket. But when we talk about that particular or a definite thing again, we use the over there. For example, I want to eat the orange in my basket. More about the. The is called a definite article. A and an are called as indefinite article, but the is called a definite article because it is used with the particular person, animal or thing that is known or has been mentioned before. Now we will come to the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. A stitch in time saves 9. A bird visits my balcony every day. Which is the longest river in India? Bill Gates is an American. She bought an expensive pen. We solved the difficult sum. The earth moves around the sun. The sun rises in the east. Sunday is the first day of the week. Rewrite these sentences using the in the correct places. So C part is we have to rewrite the sentences and we have to use the. People come from all over the world to see Taj Mahal. So now as you know, Taj Mahal is a famous building. So we will write the sentence as people come from all over the world to see the Taj Mahal. Kaveri is a river in India. So now we know Kaveri is a very famous river. So we have to use the. Kaveri is a river in India. Earth goes round the sun. There is one earth and one sun. So we will write down the earth goes round the sun. A rocket can take you to moon. A rocket can take you to the moon. Food was very spicy. The food was very spicy. Give me book you bought yesterday. Give me the book you bought yesterday. When will teacher come? When will the teacher come? Fine. So I hope you all must have understood it. Thank you very much.